नमस्ते बिटिया अभिभावकगण। मैं डॉक्टर अनिल कुमार वंगानी, प्रोफेसर एंड एचओडी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेपर्टरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. I am here to discuss about NBCD activity. The full form of NBCD is Nation Building Community Development Activity. So here at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, we train our students in various nation building, community development activities. We involve them in these activities. So I'm going to discuss about them. For that, I'm going to open a PowerPoint presentation, and here we go. So for example, we are running an immune booster program in nearby villages, especially the university adopted villages, which are within 5 kilometer radius of the university. I'm talking about Kapadiyawas village, where we arrange from time to time various immune booster camps to raise the immunity status of the village population, who is very susceptible to various infectious diseases. So what is the work involved? It involves it involves various community development activities in nearby villages like health checkup camps, disease control camps, immunity booster program to help rural population to overcome various health problems from time to time with help of our natural systems of medicine, that is Ayurveda and homeopathy. These are the courses which are conducted by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So we are able to conduct camps under these streams. So what are the benefit to the students by involving in these camps? By involving in such activities, our medical students, they have a chance to know various community health problems practically and their resolution by case taking, treatment, and follow up from time to time. So they learn the art of communication and development of confidence is there because of involving in such activities. So they are exposed to this real life problems in the manner in real time, which help them inculcate the art of medicine in them. So here you can see at Kapadiyawas village, we arrive by our college bus. Here you can see the villagers, our students, and myself, how happy our students are by helping these villagers developing their immunity. Another pic, you can see my co-teacher, Dr. Shabnam Shah, who's teaching in Department of Gynecology. She's accompanying us in the camp. We both are looking after our students to train them. Here's another pic where you can see we are helping students how to diagnose a pediatric case, because signs are the only way in which we can diagnose pediatric cases. Here you can see my co-teacher, Dr. Anita Verma, who's working as assistant professor in Department of Surgery, is accompanying me. Here students are helping a village woman and telling her how to take the medicine, what will be the dose, what will be the frequency. Here I am doing checkup of a geriatric case, an old person, and students, they are eager to know what disease this person is suffering from. He was having some respiratory problem, and students wanted to know what exactly is the problem. He was having chronic bronchitis because of tobacco smoking for a long time. Here, before going back to the college campus, we are there for a photograph in front of our college bus. On some other day, our students, they are enjoying the environment of village. You can see the farm behind, a tractor. Students are taking ride of it and they are enjoying it as well as working very sincerely. Here we are conducting health checkup in the village Kapadiawas, where we are noting the height and the weight of the persons and to know the nourishment status of the children. Here we are conducting the camp in a school campus. Students are coming one by one. In between time, students, they are enjoying greenery of the village. They are so happy by seeing such green, cool environment of village. While returning, there was a pond on the way. The students requested to stop the bus and they just were given 10 minutes for a pic at the outskirts of that pond. Here's another pic at the outskirts of the village pond. So this is how we conduct our immunity booster programs in various villages. Thanks a lot for giving your precious time. Wish you a very good health.